Mga kuya, ati bunso, friends of Eagles, ako po'y nagagalak na dumating na yung pinaka-importanteng part ng ating pagiging isang agila, ang last I, which is ito na po yung induction. Ito na po yung pinaka-importanteng part ng pagiging isang agila. We will charge you with your responsibility, obligation, na sana hindi dito natatapos. Hindi naman lingid sa kaalaman na dito ay puro labas tayo, na wala tayong ibang hinangad kung hindi ang pagtulong sa mga mas nangangailangan nating kababayan.
By the power vested in me by the Eagles Magna Carta of 1989, this joint election and the chartering of the new Imus Wagayway Eagles Club is now called to order.
Ipakita nyo po sa mga club ninyo na sinalihan yung pag-oath-taking nyo po dito sa harap kanina. Isa-isip nyo po at saka isa puso nyo.
Ang layunin ng aming club ay ipagpatuloy namin yung pagtulong sa kapwa. Bilang isang presidente, ipagpatuloy namin ang nasimulan ng aming club. Mabuhay ang New Imus Wagayway Eagles Club!
Let's enjoy the event and atin pong i-experience ang pag-induct sa atin pong mga additional members and of course sa ating chartering ng ating New Imus Wagayway Eagles Club.
Join with the City of Dasmariñas Eagles Club. I saw something different, you know, that like I feel like I'm at home and really they are my brothers. They are sharing everything, sharing a lot of things, a lot of experience.
The main purpose po ng pagsali ko dito bilang doktor is para po makatulong din po talaga ako dun sa mga gusto nating tulungan. Yun naman po talaga po ang isa po sa purpose ng ating samahan.
Enjoy lang po natin ang buhay. Maraming kalamidad na dumaan sa atin. Hanggat may nararamdaman tayong sakit, magpasalamat tayo. Never mind the pain. It only reminds you that we are still alive.
By this charter grant, which has been bestowed upon your club, I hereby declare your club formally affiliated to the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles. I will now turn over to you this gong and gebel. This is the symbol of your authority, leadership, and responsibility as the Charter Club President of the New Imus Wagayway Eagles Club.
I do hereby accept this gong and gable as a symbol of my leadership and authority as a Charter Club President of New Imus Wagayway Eagles Club, Eagle Year 2024.